Hello friend, welcome to Phone Rating YouTube channel. This video discuss about by Motorola Edge 50 new mobile full review specification and price. So let's start my video. Price 36,000 taka. Brand Motorola. Category smartphones. Added on 29 August 2024. Last updated 25 September 2024. Release 2024 August 29. OS Android 14. Display 6.4 1256 x 2760 pixels. Camera 50 megapixel 2160p. RAM 8 per 12 GB RAM. Dimensity 7300. Battery 4310 mAh 68W 15 wide. Or rating. The overall rating is based on review by our experts. Design 10 per 7. Connectivity 10 per 10. Display 10 per 9. Features 10 per 10. Performance 10 per 6. Battery 10 per 7. Camera 10 per 5. Usability 10 per 6. Pro and cons. Pros. IP68 water dust water resistant 6.4 inch LTPO POLED display 120Hz. Air 12 GB RAM and 256 512 GB storage. Triple rear camera with a 50 megapixel 32 megapixel selfie. In display fingerprint, stereo speakers, NFC. Cons. FM radio in is unavailable. No 3.5 audio jack. 2310 mAh battery only. Specification unofficial 8 GB 256 GB 36,000 taka. Launch announced 2024 August 29. Status available release 2024 August 29. Network technology GSM HSP LTE 5G. 2G bands GSM 850 900 1800 1900 SIM 1 and SIM 2. 3G bands HSGPA 850 900 1700 AWS 1900 2100. 4G bands 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 12 18 19 20 26 28 32 34 38 39 40 41 42 43 66. 5G bands 1 3 5 7 8 28 38 41 66 77 78 8 NSA sub 6. Speed HSPA 42.25.76 Mbps LTE ACA CAT 18 1200 150 Mbps 5G. Body dimensions 154.1 x 71.2 x 8.1 mm 6.07 x 0.80 x 0.32 in. Weight 171 g 6.07 OZ. Build glass front, Gorilla Glass 3 plastic frame, plastic back or silicone polymer eco leather back. SIM Nano SIM, eSIM or dual SIM, Nano SIM and dual standby. Others IP68 dust water resistant up to 1.5 m for 30 minutes. Mile STD 810H compliant. Use not guarantee ruggedness or use in extreme conditions. Display type LTPO POLED MNP colors 120Hz HDR 10 plus 3000 nits peak. Size 6.4 inches 78.9 cm to 70.0% screen to body radio. Resolution 1256 x 2760 pixels 20.9 radio 460 ppi density. Production Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Platform OS Android 14. Chipset Mediatek Dimensity 7304 nm. CPU octa-core 4x 2.5 GHz Cortex A78 and 4x 2.0 GHz Cortex A55. GPU Mali G615 MC2. Memory card slot no internal 256 512 GB. RAM 8 and 12 GB. Variant 8 GB 256 GB 12 GB 512 GB. Main camera triple 50 megapixel f per 1.8 wide 1 per 1.5 1.0 PRM multi-directional PDF OIS 10 megapixel f 2.0 73 mm telephoto 10 1.0 PRM PDF OIS 3x optical zoom, 13 megapixel f per 2.2, 13 megapixel mm 120 ultra wide 1.12 PRM PDF. Features: LED flash HDR panorama, video 4K at the rate 30 fps 180p at the rate 30 60 120 to 40 fps gyro EIS. Selfie camera, single 32 megapixel f per 2.4 wide 0.7 PRM. Features: HDR, video 4K at the rate 30 fps 1080p at the rate 30 fps. Sound, loudspeaker yes with stereo speaker, 3.5 mm jack no. Connectivity, WLAN Wi-Fi 802.11 APG and AC6E tri-band Wi-Fi direct. Bluetooth 5.3 A2DP LE. GPS Lunar Galileo BDS. NFC yes, FM radio no. USB Type C 2.0 OTG. Infrared port no. Features: sensors, fingerprint under display, optical accelerometer, gyro proximity cameras, smart connector ready for support. Battery type non-removable LiPo. Capacity 4310 mAh. Charging 68W wide, 15W wireless. More, made by us, US. Color natural blue, latte, Gracile Poinicania. Motorola Edge 50 new, price in Bangladesh November 2024. The Motorola Edge 50 new is now available in two variants: 256 512GB, 8GB, 12GB RAM. Now Motorola Edge 50 new price in 36,000 taka in Bangladesh. Edge 50 new has a 4310 mAh battery with 68W fast charging. This device runs Android 14 and is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm chipset. Model Motorola Edge 50 new. Price 36,000 taka. Display 6.55 1080 x 2400 pixels. RAM 8 per 12GB. ROM 256 per 512GB. Release 2024 August. Motorola Edge 50 new highlight. Motorola Edge 50 new will be launched in August 2024. The Edge 50 new launch with a model number XT23071. Firstly, its dimensional measure is 154.1 x 71.2 x 8.1 mm and the weight is 171 grams. Secondly, the display of Edge 50 new is a 6.4-inch LTPO OLED panel with 1256 x 2760 pixels resolution. The display is protected by the glass front Gorilla Glass 3 aluminum frame and plastic back. Thirdly, and most importantly, it is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 4nm and runs on Android 14. Moreover, it has an octa-core 4x 2.5 GHz Cortex A78 and 4x 2.0 GHz Cortex A55 CPU. The Motorola Edge 50 new phone has a 3-camera setup on the back. This formation consists of a 50 megapixel wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, 13 megapixel ultra wide camera. It has a 32 megapixel side selfie camera inside the notch of the display. The video recording capability is 4K at the rate 30 fps, 180p at the rate 30 60 120 to 40 fps. Gyro EIS according to its RAM and ROM. It has 28 per 12GB per 256 per 512GB variants. On the other hand, among the other features, there is WLAN, Bluetooth, and USB port. Your question and your opinion about the Edge 50 new. Which question you will have about this phone? Let's justify this. There we are including the major question and answers about this phone. So let's start now. When it will be released? It will launch in August 2024. What is the price of the Motorola Edge 50 new? The price of the Motorola Edge 50 new is BDT 36,000 taka. How much RAM and ROM does it contain? It has two variants with 8 per 12GB in RAM and two variants with 256 per 512GB in ROM. But overall, you can get two variants: 256GB, 8GB, 512GB, 12GB in the market. Which type of display panel is used? It comes with a 6.4 LTPO OLED display panel with 1256 x 2760 pixel resolution. How are the processor and chipset? It contains a Mediatek Dimensity 7300 4nm chipset. What are the camera and video capabilities? The three camera setup on the back is 50 megapixel plus 10 megapixel, 13 megapixel and a 32 megapixel selfie camera. The video recording capability is 4K at the rate 30 fps, 180p at the rate 30 60 120 to 40 fps gyro EIS. Use it support a 5G network. Yes, it support a 5G network with 2G, 3G and 4G. How are the battery capacities? The battery capacity is a 4310 mAh live polymer battery with 68W fast charging. What sensor does this phone have? Fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity and compass. Which country and company manufactured it? Motorola manufactured it and this phone is made in the USA. Reason to buy. In this paragraph we are going to describe the important measure to buy this. Why did a person buy this smartphone? Firstly, when anyone wants to buy a device they find out the premium things on the device according to their price. So let us find out some eligible things that are in age 15 or verdict. In conclusion, we are giving our verdict on this device. If you want to buy the best 5G smartphone under 70k taka, then Motorola H15 will be in the first row among the best smartphone. Dear friend, if you have an attraction to online games like Free Fire and so on, then you can buy it because it has a RAM and a well processor using the Mediatek Dimensity 7304 nm chipset. If you want a big backup on charge when you can buy this because it has a huge 4310 mAh battery. In addition, it's a 5G supportable smartphone so you can get good network facilities on it. However, it has a 3 cam setup with a 50 megapixel camera, so the image and video capabilities may be good. Therefore, to judge all of these reasons you can buy this. तो दोस्तों आज की वीडियो के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो के अंदर, तब तक के लिए बाय।